What you guys doing? Sophia, Oliver. I love you so perfect.
Barbara, appreciate it.
It is a very dangerous animal. You gotta be very careful.
You want to get kisses?
You can trust me.
Where's my kisses?
Slippery.
For me?
Boy. I love you so good, boy. Hi, honey. That was a good boy. Huh? Are you a good boy? Jump. Come on, Sophia. Thank you. Where are my kisses? Want me to get you a treat? I'll be right back. Hi, honey. Are you done? Are we ready? Jump. I love you so, Oliver. Thank you, honey. You're my sweet baby boy. That's my baby. That was perfect. You're my sweet baby boy, Oliver. Thank you, honey. I love you, Oliver. You're so cute, baby. That's okay. Thank you. Thank you, good boy. You want to come see Mama? Thank you. Belly kisses? Thank you, baby boy. You're so good, Oliver. That's my baby boy. Jump. Boy, can you come see Mama? Do you want to play with a treat? I love you so much. I love you so much. Are you okay? You want to get a treat? I love you too. Yeah. That was perfect.